Okay, so there was actually a few more folds that I forgot to show you. So I'll show you now, just before I end this video. So, like I said, we're in this position here. Maybe we will come out to here. We want to open it up, close it, open it up, close it, open, close. We can do the same thing here. Open, close, open, close, open. We can do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. We can go down, up. So what else can we do from here? We can bring our arms forwards. We can go in and out like this. Open, close, open, close. Flip our hands around. Same kind of thing. Open, close, open, close. So we might use this particular motion here, like when we do this. Full flip, across, full flip, turn, full flip, turn, full flip, turn, full flip, or the other way around. Boom, 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 like that. So we can do folds like that too. If we're in a position like this, also we can fold like this. So I showed you how we can fold up from here, but we can also just go straight across as well. We can go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe up and down this time. Up, down, sideways. So now we got our angles. We got pretty much like horizontal or side to side. Now we go up and down, up, down, up, down. We got diagonal folds out here. Maybe this hand comes out. So in front, maybe behind us this time. Bring it around, come back down. And then what we could try is like something like this. We could be in a position here, fold down, up. Maybe we want to turn sides, fold to here, boom, fold to here, and then we can try up and down from this position. So this is the same type of motion here, but we're just going to turn our hands down and go fold, close, fold, close. This works well here as well, like fold, like this. And the same kind of thing, open, close, open, close, open, close, here, in. So open, close, forwards, open, close the other direction. Now try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now try forward like this. 1, 2, or the other way. 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe turn sides. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or we can try like this. Open and close down here. Like the page, one hand at a time. 1, 1. Instead of doing 2 pages or the fully open book, we can do the quarter. 1, 2. From here, again. Here, 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 here. And then we can try this new one. We can go open and close this way. And then in and out. And then maybe down, out, up here. Maybe we want to like try and go quarter turn this time. Boom. Boom. So we can fold like this as well now. And then down, down, open, in, out. Try like maybe, okay, it's not quite a fold when we do it like that, but this is a fold. And then we can do maybe like if we invert our hands this time, so our hands are like this, we can get in and out from this position, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you for now.